Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese balls, easy method. Start by grating 2 cups of cheese and mixing with 4 Oz cream cheese and 2 tablespoon herbs. Stir until smooth and season with salt and pepper. Scoop and shape into a tight ball, then chill on a tray. Prepare coatings like nuts, herbs, or spices while it cools for a crisp finish and easy serving. Begin with 2 cups shredded cheese, 4 Oz cream cheese, 2 tablespoon chopped herbs, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness. Soften the cream cheese first so it blends easily with the shredded cheese. Mix by hand or with a spoon until uniform, then taste and adjust seasoning. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to firm up the mixture so it rolls cleanly into balls without sticking to your hands. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and cozy feet while you cook. I use them when I'm standing at the counter making cheese balls, and they save my soles after a long prep session. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Scoop consistent portions with a 1/5-inch cookie scoop or tablespoon to ensure even pieces. Wet your hands slightly and roll each portion into a smooth ball, then press into crushed nuts, herbs, or spices for a bright outer layer. Place coated balls on a tray and chill for another 15 minutes to set. Arrange on a platter with crackers and veggies, and label options for guests who prefer milder or spicier coatings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.